Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to download and install Cut the Rope application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and in the search bar type in Cut the Rope. Once you find the application in the search result, look for the Cut the Rope application from Zeptolab and then tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once it is installed, you can click on the play button to start playing the game. And there you have it. That is how you will be able to download and install Cut the Rope application on your Android device quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.